YouTube, 2017 Ford F-150. Customers complaining of the wipers staying on low. Notice they're doing that even when they're off. About every 30 seconds they'll cut on. It's a pretty common issue on these Fords. It's the switch. I'm going to show you how to replace it today. It's fairly easy. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to want to grab is a 5.5 millimeter socket. And it's probably an equivalent in standard too, maybe a 7/32. I'm not positive, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, it's going to be a few bolts up under this column. We got to split in half. So 3 of them, I think. All right. Now, you don't really have to disconnect the battery unless you just want to. I'm not pulling anything with the airbag or anything like that, so. This thing's going to be clipped together. Pop off your steering grommet right here. Or your gear shifter grommet, whatever you want to call it. All right. Easier said than done. There we go. I got it. Okay. Pull that bottom half down just enough to get to these little tiny torques. And they are tiny, so let me go back in the shop here. I'm doing this outside. It looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully I can get it knocked out before it does. Grab a few different ones here. Yeah, it's definitely not that big. It's one of these, I'm hoping. It's starting to sprinkle. You can leave the car running too if you're doing this outside and you want some AC on. It's hot today. So what size is this? T8. It's a little loose. A little bigger than that. But it's fitting, so must be like a 9 or a 10. This is a 7. But they're not that tight, so an 8's gonna work. All right, now I'm sure it's clipped in here. Safe spot there. Let's look at the configuration on here. Haven't done one in a little while, so gotta refresh this. I don't want to lose that screw. How does that bad boy click in here? Maybe it comes out from the side. Yeah, it does, just like that. And I need to get that screw without dropping it. It'd help if I took it all the way out, I guess. Yeah, let's just let that sit on the floor. Okay. Alright, make sure it works. Okay. Don't want to drop it. Let me take this glove off because I have a feeling it's going to grip to it. Yeah, there we go. Steady hands. Boom. Notice the wipers haven't came back on yet, so okay, it's fixed. These little hooks. Clicky, clicky. There we go. All right. Put our 3 screws back in and we're done. Boom. That's simple, y'all. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.